Ahead in the job market, essential skills for success. In today's fast-paced and competitive job market, it's crucial to stay updated with the latest skills and trends. 3 key areas that can make or break your career prospects are analytical skills, communication skills, and coding skills. In this article, we'll delve into the importance of these skills and provide practical tips on how to improve them. Analytical skills are essential for making data-driven decisions. They help you observe, research, and derive insights from information. To enhance these skills, practice critical thinking by understanding problems and analyzing facts. Gather information from reliable sources and learn to organize and analyze data for meaningful conclusions. Effective communication is crucial in any profession. It involves expressing ideas clearly, both verbally and in writing. To improve, practice active listening by paying attention and asking questions. Enhance your writing for emails and reports, and develop public speaking skills to confidently convey your ideas to audiences. In today's tech-driven world, coding skills are highly valued. They can open up job opportunities and boost earning potential. Start with basic programming languages like Python, Java, or JavaScript. Learn web development to create applications and websites, and use coding to collect and analyze data effectively. Staying ahead in the job market requires a blend of analytical, communication, and coding skills. By honing these abilities, you'll become a more competitive candidate and improve your career prospects. Remember, the job market is ever-changing, so stay adaptable and committed to lifelong learning.